All right, we got these really nice Ayombo workout resistance bands. These are going to be great if you travel a lot, you don't have time to get to a gym, and you're looking for a quick, or something where it's easier to get a workout in. These are going to be amazing. There's a lot you can do with this. So, and it's very portable, as you can see that with the case it comes in. Here's everything it comes with right here. We just take it all out right now. Set the case to the side. Set this to the side and these to the side for now. So first thing, here's the weights. So as you can see at the bottom, 45 pounds. This one's 55 pounds. And this one is 35 pounds. I'm just going to use the 35 pounds for the sake of this video. But this is the resistance level, as you can see, how heavy it is. And you can use these together. So if you wanted to do the 35 pounds with the 55 pounds, you can use them both. I'm just going to use the 35 pounds for this video. And also I want to say, you can attach 2 different resistance bands to it, or you can move further away from the wall to get a stronger resistance. So there's that. So what I'm going to do first, set this there. So here is the wall anchor that goes over the door. I'm going to attach it to our resistance band right there. And now we're ready to throw that over the door. But before we do so, we're going to attach to this side, we're going to attach our handles. So we've got the handles right here, 2 different handles. We're just going to attach them in like so. And now we're ready to go. And so there's a lot of different stuff you can do. I'm going to start by throwing this over the door. That's one way of doing it. Just throw it over the top of the door, shut the door. And now, so the first thing, you say you want to work triceps. You can do this. You can also, you want to add some extra resistance, get on your knees. And you're working your triceps, which is this muscle right here. And that's great. You can also do face pulls, which is for your back. You can stand up. You could maybe just do more regular rows, but coming down at an angle. All sorts of stuff you could do here. You could probably even do biceps here. You can do some biceps right here. So there's that. Another thing you can do is you can take this. You can throw it maybe on the side of the door. Just throw it right here. Throw that on the side of the door. And maybe we want to do some rows down here. Do some rows right here. Again, we can do curls. You could even, if you want to get on your feet, do some rows like this. Maybe do face pulls again. And then we can also come down here, throw this under the door, shut it, and now we can do whatever we want here. Maybe do some curls, rows up here, face pulls up here. I could get on my knees again if I wanted, could sit down. All sorts of stuff you can do here. You can even angle it away. Oh, you could even angle it away. Maybe do some shoulders right here. This is hitting your shoulders. You could do curls right here. So as you can see, all sorts of stuff you could do. And if I wanted to add some resistance, I could add another band in here or 2 if you wanted. But this is all you need. As you can see, I'm out of breath just from doing that. Highly recommend.